Good day, grade 4. So, this is a recorded video for this day. Okay? So, lesson 1, different places where animals live. So, most animals need a place to live in. They need shelters. Shelters protect animals from other animals and from the weather. So, na-discuss na po natin yung land or terrestrial animals and their habitat. So, let's proceed to aquatic habitats. Okay, aquatic animals and their habitats. So, a big part of the earth is covered by oceans and other large bodies of water, such as seas and gulfs. So, the cold oceans of the world are the homes of most seals. Ayan. So, seals are bubbler. It has a thick layer of fat that keeps them warm. They feed on fish, shrimps, and octopuses. Okay, pinnipeds, commonly known as seals. These are a widely distributed and diverse clump clade of carnivorous, fin-footed, semi-aquatic marine mammals. So, that is for a seal. Oceans and seas are the habitats of whales, sharks, squids, octopuses, and various kind of fishes. These animals eat weeds, smaller animals like krill and tiny fish, shellfish, clams, and oysters eat very tiny animals and plants found in the water. The warm oceans of the world are the habitats of coral reefs. Okay, so yan, the warm animals of the world are the habitats of the reef. So in the words, oceans animals' life depends on the plant life, just as does on land. Near the ocean surface, where the water is lighted and warm, the greatest number of sea creatures live. This is where the most fishes live. Schools of herrings and sardines live there, while whales and sharks swim alone. Okay? Further down the ocean, the fish becomes more unusual. So look, try to look this one. The hatchet fish. This glows in a murky waters of the middle depth. At the very bottom lurks the deep sea anglerfish, a strange creature that has a glowing ray that is used to attract its prey. Okay. The rocky and pebbly and sandy seahorses. Okay, these seahorses also serves as habitats of many kinds of shellfish, barnacles, and limpets that stick firmly to rocks. Okay, another one is the garreal. So this one is the Gavialis gangeticus, also known as the gavial or the fish-eating crocodile. It is a crocodilian of the family Gavialidae and among the longest of all living crocodilians. So these are found in the rivers of India. It has a narrow jaw and snout. It is considered sacred by some Indians. Okay, sacred po yung garreal sa kanila. Another one is the mudskipper. So these are the fishes that can breathe air, that spend about as much time out of the water as in it. They live along warm, muddy shores of mangroves, swamps. Okay, that is a mudskipper. any about 6 species of small tropical gobies of the family mudskipper found in the Indo-Pacific, from Africa to Polynesia, and also for Australia. They live in swamps and estuaries and on mud flats and are noted for their ability to climb, walk, and skip about out of water. Ayan. So, another one is the crocodiles, okay, hippopotamus, and flamingos. These are found near African water. They live um, in the Africa. Okay, like the crocodile, the hippopotamus spend hot African days wallowing in water or in a mud. Many flamingos are found in East African lakes. Okay. Next, the alligators and the great white herons. So they live in the swamps of southern North America. Ayan. Next, the iguana. The iguana, which lives solely in the Galapagos Island. This is the only lizard that regularly swim in water. The marine iguana can be 4 feet long. Crabs of Galapagos Island also share the shoreline in the marine iguanas. So these crabs sometimes eat the ticks that live on the iguana. So this iguana is a genus of herbivorous lizards that are native to tropical areas of Mexico, Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. And also, in the water of the South American rainforest live in the fierce flesh-eating piranha and the caiman. Ayan, yung piranha niya yan, class, is also called piraya. Any of more 60 species of razor-toothed carnivorous fish of South American rivers and lakes, with somewhat exaggerated reputation for reforcity. Ayan, yan po ang piranha. And this one is also a caiman. So this is alligatorid, belonging to the subfamily of Caimaninae. So one of 2 primary lineages within Alligatoridae. The other beings alligators. Ayan, yung mga maliliit na parang alligator. Ayan. So another one is the electric eels. They lurk in the depths, shocking their prey with volts of electricity. They can generate an electrical charge up to 600 volts in order to stun prey and keep predators at bay. Ayan. Next, in the Arctic coast of crowded with the birds like the hawks, the herons, and the kingfisher, spending summer there sa Arctic Ocean or Arctic coasts. So in terrestrial and aquatic animal and their habitats, so the animals above live both land and in water. So they spend some time on the land and sometimes in the water. Turtles is the best example that live on the land and in water. They use their own hard shells as their homes. Another one is yung crocodiles and alligators. Also live in land and in water. They come out of the water to sun themselves. Next, the hippopotamus. So they can live on land and in water too. And the baby frogs live in water, but when they become big, they live on land for some time. Okay? So, that is our lesson and discussion for this day. The different places where animals live or tinatawag natin itong habitats. So, for your assignment, grade 4, page 154, letter A, answer the following question. Write the answer on the blank in your book. And letter B, fill in the blanks with the missing letter to form the words being described. So page 155 to 156. And letter C, use the number code below to spell the name of the animal being described. 1 to 10, pages 115 or 56 to 157. So that's all, grade 4. So God bless and thank you.